Is this executive office chair worth it? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. Before I get into the features that might make it worth it for you, I want to cover a reason why many other people feel it's worth it. Social proof. That's the number one determinant on quality products on Amazon. The way you know a product is really good quality on Amazon is two things: sales velocity paired with reviews. This company has very good sales velocity. Over 550 units are being sold every month. This chair is selling in droves, over 550 per month at the time of this video. Not only that, but has almost 150 4.5 out of 5-star reviews. That means tons of people are buying it, and then after they assemble and use it, they're happy with it. That is a marker, and the fact that it's 4.5 stars, that makes it a home run product. It's being purchased in droves and reviewed in droves. That's everything most people need to know. This is the one to get. But if you want to get into the features, we can get into them. I really like this pillow. This is definitely not something you're typically going to see with an office chair. You're not going to see a pillow, dude. They give you a freaking pillow. You could use it for like lumbar back support, or if you're like me and you're not a huge fan of them, you can just put it on the side. But stuff I really like, first of all, my brother and I have reviewed 200 to 300 office chairs. We have purchased them, assembled them, and reviewed them. So we have a pretty good idea on quality, build, components, and functionality, all that kind of stuff. And we can give you a really good vibe on, is this a good buy? Actually, one thing I want to check the number on the product page, because I forgot to mention that in my last video. Okay. Yeah. That's going to be something I'm going to talk about here in a second. So first of all, this is a very high quality PU leather. Now, we review a lot of different leather office chairs, and there's varying degrees of quality. There are several different vibes you'll get, all the way down to budget. And here's the weird thing about it. Even if you get into budget leather office chairs, a lot of times that leather is still pretty good, in our opinion. Still going to last a good amount of time, and it's still going to be very comfortable. But they've really gone above and beyond here. If you just look even with the stitching, this is a very high quality build. I mean, you've got a unique stitching in here that definitely gives it more of that executive vibe. You have all the different panels with different levels of padding just to kind of like make it softer in certain spots, down here and everything. But the other cool thing about it is very soft, so you're going to enjoy sitting on it. You even have it on the armrests as well. I'll cover some things about these in a second. But even that padding on the armrests, you're going to have that padding there. Now, you're not going to have to worry about getting like body fatigue or anything like that. If you're sitting in this for a long time, it distributes the weight very well. It's going to be durable over time. And you're not going to have any like sore spots or anything like that. So that's always super important when you're going to be sitting in a chair all day. But this is not only high quality and soft, it's actually extremely durable. I feel like it's much, I don't know if thicker is the right word, but it feels more substantial than a lot of the other PU leathers that we have reviewed. So I think that's a very strong selling point. And here's part of the reason. Just on looking at this and looking at the number on the product page, I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. This chair at this price point doesn't really make actual sense. I mean, I actually think 3X, what I'm seeing there, would still be kind of like I would say like almost like a low price. This is very nice quality. Everything about it we love. It was very easy to build. The quality's great. I actually love, this is not always what you get. You don't always get a rocking function. I think that's really important, especially if you're using this for work, which is typically a soul-crushing activity. It's used to like kind of like bring our minds into a lower state and to keep us trapped there. So anything you can do to break yourself out of that pattern, even in that mundanity, the day-to-day, all that kind of stuff, just getting yourself into a better state, I think is good. And I actually really like rocking. It's got more of a meditative vibe. Maybe you're on a call, maybe just want to take a moment for yourself. I think that's really important. But if you do want to lock it in place, all you have to do is push that and you're locked in place. So that's really nice. Armrests. They actually, not all of them do this. These come up all the way. So we can be completely free of the armrests, or we can bring them down. Very easy to use. Again, the armrests have a nice leather padding there with some foam in there that makes it very comfortable. And it's ergonomic-ish. When I say ergonomic, I mostly mean it feels to me like they've thought about the human body and the way it's sitting in this chair. And that's kind of what I mean with it sometimes. So it feels like it's designed for you to be sitting like this, using the armrest, all that kind of stuff. Again, no pressure points or anything like that. Quality of the build's very good. The base is very sturdy. The wheels are very smooth. Everything about this chair I really like, but what I really think sets it apart is the quality of the leather, the rocking, and the price point. Those, oh, dude, I'm forgetting to check that. You can adjust the height. Here's at its lowest setting. Here's at its highest setting. I would say that's higher than average. Higher than average, you're getting a little bit more of just a little bit more width there. So that's really nice as well. But from the quality of the leather, the rocking function, and the price point, I mean, they even throw you a freaking pillow, dude. But to me, when I'm looking at the price point, this chair does not make, I don't understand how it makes economic sense for the company. But there's some way they're making profit on it. But I don't know how long they're going to keep it at that price point. Hopefully for a while. But I mean, this is a steal. I would easily pay 3x what I'm seeing on the product page there.